तो ये बेसिकली डाउट क्लियरिंग क्लास है। मैंने आपको पहले क्लास में 5 होमवर्क दिया था, तो बहुत लोगों ने करके भी दिखाया था, लेकिन ये वाला एग्जाम्पल किसी को नहीं हुआ, किसी का नहीं हुआ ये वाला एग्जाम्पल। तो पहले प्रॉब्लम सॉल्व करने से पहले आपको एक चीज मैं बताता हूँ, ध्यान से देखो। एन इज नॉट एन इंटरवल। तो कुछ सेट जो इंटरवल नहीं है उसको दिखाने के लिए आपको एक पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट लेना पड़ता है। ये पर्टिकुलर और आर्बिट्ररी में आप लोगों का कंफ्यूजन होगा, बहुत कंफ्यूजन होगा। n is not an interval. So to show something, to show that this is not an interval, you have to pick some particular point from between those chosen points, right? And to show something is an interval, you have to choose the arbitrary point between those two chosen points. This is very important, मैंने आप लोगों को कह रहा हूँ। तो यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने क्या कहा था, हमको ये सेट पता है, isn't it? n equals to क्या, n equals to 1 2 3 4 dot dot dot. This is my set. तो पहले what is the first job to check whether the given set is an interval or not? First step is you have to take any 2 points from the set itself, right? So let me take one point. Suppose 2 comma 3. 2 comma 3 are 2 points such that 2 less than 3 by law of trichotomy. I have already discussed those things. So this is the first step. What is the first step? You have to take 2 points from the set itself, right? Then you have to pick one real number, and the condition should be applied here. Condition is there that now my job is to pick one real number, right? But this real number must lies between these two chosen real number, isn't it? So what will be the real number? Let 2.5 belongs to R such that 2 less than 2.5 less than 3. But 2.5 does not belong to set of natural number, so this is not an interval. So therefore n is not an interval. यही तो है ना प्रोसेस। क्या है प्रोसेस? कुछ सेट इंटरवल नहीं है, इसको आप लोगों को कैसे दिखाना पड़ेगा? किसी भी 2 पॉइंट ले लो इस सेट से, उसके बाद एक रियल नंबर ले लो जो रियल नंबर इस दोनों के बीच में है, राइट? फिर कह दो कि ये जो चूजन रियल नंबर है वो इस सेट पे बिलोंग नहीं करते, दैट्स व्हाई दिस इज नॉट एन इंटरवल. Now you have to show this is an interval. Now one more thing you have to remember, that you are not able to take A and B because this is an open interval, and in case of open interval this is a set of all those points lying between A and B but excluded the end points, because the points A and B is not the points of the set itself, isn't it? Now you see, if A is not a point, then twice A must be the point, because twice A is the greater than A, isn't it? इस सेट में क्या है? A नहीं है, B नहीं है. अगर आप ड्रॉ करोगे नंबर लाइन, suppose this is your A and this is your B, so these A and B are not included, but all those points in between A and B is the points of this interval, isn't it? So if I am not able to take A and B like this, आपको 2 पॉइंट लेना है ना, तो आप ये 2 पॉइंट नहीं ले सकते क्योंकि ये 2 पॉइंट इस सेट का पॉइंट्स ही नहीं है. तो you can take twice A. You can take twice A because if A is there, then twice A must be lie here, isn't it? And if you take B here, then you are not able to take twice B because twice B is somewhere here. So you are not able to take twice B, but you can able to take B by 2. B by 2, right? So B by 2 somewhere here, right? So you can take B by 2. So let twice A comma B by 2 belongs to open interval A comma B such that obviously twice is less than B by 2, right? Now one more thing you have to remember, if you take 2 and 3 as your point, right, it is like that, then if you take the midpoints, because 2 plus 3 by 2, this is the midpoint between 2 and 3, and this is nothing but what? 5 by 2, and this is nothing but 2.5. So if you take always mean of these two given numbers, then this number is nothing but the midpoint of the chosen number, and this midpoint is always lies between these two chosen numbers, isn't it? You see, I have taken 2 3 here, 2 3, then just find the midpoint. 2 plus 3 by 2, I get 2.5. So this 2.5 is lies between 2 and 3, isn't it? So this is my 2 points. First of all, you have to take, you have to calculate somewhere here. This is the trial and error method. So 2a plus b by 2 whole thing divided by 2. So this is nothing but 4a plus b by 4. Isn't it? 4a plus b by 4. So this is my point. So now let 4a plus b by 2 belongs to R is any real number such that 2a less than 4a plus b by 2 less than b by 2. Isn't it? Because this can be written as 2a plus b by 2 less than b by 2. Therefore 2a plus b by 2 belongs to open interval a comma b. So this is an interval. तो यहाँ पे मैंने क्या कहा, ये दोनों पॉइंट आर्बिट्ररी है. मैंने बहुत सारा स्टूडेंट ऐसे भी देखा है कि मैंने कहा इसको इंटरवल प्रूव करो, आप लोगों ने 2 और 3 ले लिया और इसको इंटरवल प्रूव कर दिया. ऐसा नहीं है, क्योंकि ये एक पर्टिकुलर इंटरवल है और ये एक जनरल इंटरवल है. तो जब भी आपको जनरल टाइप का क्वेश्चन दिया जाएगा तो आपको जनरल पॉइंट्स, फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल 2 जनरल पॉइंट्स लेना होगा. वो पॉइंट्स कैसे लेना है मैंने यहाँ पे आपको बोल दिया है कि ये जो ओपन इंटरवल में ये तो पॉइंट एक्सक्लूडेड नहीं है, तो अगर ए एक्सक्लूडेड नहीं है तो 2a तो एक्सक्लूडेड होगा, क्योंकि 2a इज ग्रेटर देन a. तो एवरी पॉइंट व्हिच इज ग्रेटर देन a must be the points of this interval, and you are not able to take b because b is not there, but you cannot take any point which is greater than b, but you are allowed to take the points which are less than b. So if b is a point, then b by 2 is obviously less than b, obviously. Then this is the case, twice a is less than b by 2, right? Whether it is true? Yeah, it may be true. Provided a and b are intervals, you have to take. Provided a comma b are integers. Just write this point. Now it is correct. Now take midpoint. Then I have already shown you how to take midpoint. This is the way how to take midpoints. You just after finding those 2 points, you just add them and divide it by 2. You will get this point. And this point definitely lies between these 2 points, right? And this is the way how to show something is an interval, and this is the way how to show something is not an interval. So this is the way how to show, how to check basically whether the given set is interval or not. So try to remember this. It is important also. Thank you.